How to refresh an AirTag location. An AirTag doesn't really update instantly. It only refreshes when it's near an Apple device in the Find My network. So sometimes you may need to wait a bit for a new location since not all times your AirTag is going to be near an Apple device. So again, an Apple AirTag works by using Bluetooth signals to communicate with nearby Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs that are part of the Find My network. When your AirTag is near any of these devices, it will send its location to Apple's cloud, which then updates its position in the Find My app on your phone. If you're close to the AirTag, your iPhone can use precision finding with ultra-wideband to guide you directly to it with arrows and distance on supported models. All of this happens anonymously and encrypted, meaning even Apple doesn't know the AirTag's location or identity of the devices helping track it. But that is the general idea on how an Apple AirTag works, and it could give an idea on how it refreshes as well. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.